Okay, it's all city auctioneers here. We're using the online auction site bcsurplus.com, and we've got another government vehicle and estate auction coming up here on February 21st, 2024. And here's one of the government vehicles included in that auction. It is a 2013 Freightliner Coronado SD tandem axle with a wet kit. These were, of course, used by one of the local municipalities or cities for a garbage transfer truck. And if you're looking for the trailer, we have one of the garbage transfer trailers here, one of the Wilkins walking floor trailers that is selling also at this same auction. So things I've noticed with this: tires look almost brand new. It drives, it moves forward, it moves backward. You know, we don't get to try all the gears, we don't get to try all the ranges, because it does come in with a tow truck, and then of course we drive it around the yard here. So everything does seem to operate. These were in service. They've just replaced them, bought new trucks and new trailers, so they're selling them off one set at a time pretty much. These have I believe it's a Detroit diesel. I'll go with DD13, but you know what, I'll show you the information sheet. I've got the hood up there only because it's really difficult to pull the hood down when I'm holding the camera. So you know, it does latch down pretty nicely. I'm just going to go and climb in and give you a rundown of the specs on the truck. Like I said, this is a government surplus vehicle, so you know it's been well maintained. You know, maintenance history, everything else has all been done. Here, I'll just let you look at that here. So it's a DD15, 14.8 liter, 455 horsepower. It's got an Eaton Fuller, I think it's a 15 speed, 46,000 pound rears. And manufactured 10 of 12, 192-inch wheelbase. There's the engine number, whole bunch of other information there for you. So yeah, I will now go around to the far side and do a startup for you. I just gotta make sure I get out of the truck here without falling, you know, because wouldn't that be funny on video? Not. So yeah, so it's got a wet kit here, hydraulic power pack. Great for your, you know, end dumps, dump trailers, whatever you want to, you know, power with hydraulic system. And so that's built right in. This truck is spec'd with that. Air deflectors, so on and so forth. Now I'll pop up this side. I'll make sure I've got the key, because of course, you know, I would do that. Climb all the way up there and then find out I don't have the key. Yeah, so it's 18 speed, Eaton Fuller 18 speed. As I climb up here and struggle, that's getting hard to do this. 472,800 kilometers. So just under 500,000 kilometers. I will do a startup here. You can see all the warning lights come on and then they'll go off. There you go. Make sure it's in neutral. And I am pretty much at max air. I did have it running here just for a little while ago as I was moving it out. I'll get into the information here. Let me see, trip information, fuel, engine, there you go. So I've got 472,755.2 kilometers with 17,026 hours. So there you go, that's what she's got. And I will now let you take a look around. She's, you know, fairly fully loaded. I would assume you could probably order them with more, but you know, she's got diff locks and you know, air ride cab, and you can raise and lower the suspension and all kinds of neat fun toys. Looks like a air pressure guide there to tell you how heavy you are, and like I said, power locks, power windows, power mirrors. They're probably heated mirrors. I really don't know, but I'm sure you could figure that out here somewhere. So yeah, so I'll just climb out now and let you listen to the motor. Of course, there's a bunch of other stuff selling in the auction there. That loader, those vans, there's the trailer. So there you go. Then I'll wander over to the far side, let you listen to that side. And now I'll put the hood down so you can see what she looks like. There you go. A few little scratches here, some paint chips on the front corner that I just noticed. There was one little dent here somewhere, I thought. Yeah, right here. There's a little dent there in the radiator shroud. A few more paint chips there again. Front bumper's not even bent, which is kind of odd. Some glue residue from when it was the decals were removed. Like I said, tires seem to be, you know, almost brand new. They're probably recaps. Let me see, what are they running? They're running Michelins and BFGs. So there you go, some mixed. All your hose connections, trailer connections, filter system for the wet kit for the hydraulic system. So this is selling unreserved. Highest bidder wins. We are All City Auctioneers. We're located here in Langley, British Columbia. And it's selling on February 21st, 2024. You could probably put it to work the day after you buy it. Of course, you can come right down and take a look at it yourself on the viewing days. Highest bid wins. Totally unreserved. No starting prices. No minimum bids. There you go. Hope you get another buy-by auction.